And finally, Jamaicans in the diaspora are being encouraged to partner with local health facilities to help improve medical care delivery in Jamaica. The call was made by a member of the leadership at the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH. The Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home JAHJAH Foundation funded the creation and installation of an Illuminated Emergency Department A&E sign at the Kingston Public Hospital, which is expected to improve the way the hospital serves patients, many of whom struggle to navigate the large medical facility.
And they come into the compound, they know exactly where the emergency room is. I've always been told that, we'll be successful if we attack the low-hanging fruits instead of looking at the big picture and trying to solve all the big problems that exist here at not just the Kingston Public Hospital, but public hospitals throughout the island.
In the diaspora, we want to see many other persons coming on board doing just this, a little at a time, to improve the services of the people of Jamaica. Because donating a sign of that magnitude, that makes the emergency room, which is one of the beacons of the institution, the major referral point for the country, is a significant impact overall in quality of care and customer client service.
And that's your news in 5. I am Carrie Simpson. Smile Jamaica continues right after these messages.